guys, hi guys, today I'm gonna show you, these are my old fidgets. Yeah, so that's some of my fidgets. That's my old fidgets. And the zap, I got my new fidgets. Well, yeah. And I was just working on these fidgets and buying one, and Mommy didn't buy me one, yeah, because I just wanted a lot of toys, because sometimes on TikTok they got a lot of fidgets, and I just have one a lot. I need a lot of fidgets, like they got on my phone. I don't have a lot of fidgets, well, I just got one fidgets, that's all. And I wanted to buy a lot. Because if I want to play my fidgets, Mommy buys me a lot if I play fidgets, yeah. And yes. So here is my fin spinner. But it doesn't work when I touch a lot. But when I touch a little bit tiny, and then it spins. And also I got my puppet. My bunny puppet. It really sounds good, and it makes a lot of noise because there's are puppets. Well, I like the noise, and it's special. Yeah, so wow. Oh, wow. And I got puppet too. Yeah, it's interesting. So it's legendary puppet, and because we offer two because these are fidgets. They don't offer cell phones. Only fidgets. Because fidgets is offering for something what they want. Oh, and because we have just a thing. I have one. I just want to play with my puppets, and because I love making noise with my pops. Oh, I have an idea. I have pop tubes. I don't have no pop tubes, and I need some pop tubes because I saw on TikTok they got pop tubes and makes noise, and just put it like this and like that. And yeah, but I just want to have a puppet, I guess. And I got my yellow puppet. The green puppet is legendary. The purple puppet is legendary. The yellow puppet is legendary. Everything is legendary. Oh, I love that noise. I sent this with number when you won't saw in my. Yeah, you can saw me TikTok. Yeah. I like this. This is so fun. Oh my god, this puppet is so good. Mom just knowed. Stop bothering my hands because I like this. This is my shot. My hands pretty cute. It's a joke. Okay. Oh, this is another pop tube. This is a marble mesh. This is a marble mesh, and there's a ball inside. I mean, it's a marble mesh, but it's wonder you have a mesh. But if there's no ball inside, you say mesh. And if there's a ball inside, you say marble mesh. So yeah, marble mesh and mesh. That's a good idea. Okay, so this is all my fidgets I got. Yeah. I have too much fidgets. And I got a fin spinner. It's small, and I have big and small. These are what it is. This is my first time. You don't need it. You need it to prank you. I have an idea on my head. Ah! I fell down. I'm gonna go get it. I got it. looked a little bit, not a lot. Because this is different fidgets. I have an idea, guys. I just made them know. At least freeze on, I say make noise. So I have one more. I have this fidget. Or, it's not gonna work. Oh, it just makes noise. It's a block? How do you... Why this is a block? Oh, it's just a block and you can play. Oh, here's my first emoji. It's a unicorn. But you can stick any. You can stick these because these are so sticky. If you put powder, it doesn't stick anymore because it's on TikTok. And every time I look in TikTok, it is so weird. Because it's like that. Wait, I have my got this finicle. I got this finicle. I got this finicle. Wait, no, I have this finicle. No, I got this finicle. And yeah. So this doesn't break, and because it's too sticky, but it's not sticky. I mean it's not sticky. It's too sticky because it's not gonna break. Or it's not gonna break. Ooh, like even over this, it's gonna go up. It fell down. I'll go get it. Guys, I don't want to put in pop. Oh. Got a leg. Okay, that's all. I don't have no fidgets, that's all. Okay, so guys, here I got a rocky track. This is not a bike. No, I mean, this is not a bicycle chain. A bike chain. 2 monkey noodles. 2 rocky tracks. I should put a number here. And yeah, it's just when it was. And I just put eyes on them because it was, and then when I was closing it down and then close it inside, and then I didn't cry. I'm okay. I'm okay. Just okay. Yeah. So I have this cute little bunny. It's a green one. I'm gonna have this cute little green elephant. And yeah, it is so squishy. It is cute. Woo, this is so stretchy. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back. But I have an idea what to do. Let's play some games with you. Oh! I found it. Got it. I can see underneath the fidgets up there. And you can see I'm putting like that. Because I was just... Oh no, I can't reach that. Okay, I can reach it. I can't go. Can't go. It's not working. Okay, nothing dropped. It's not working. It's not gonna work. This is weird. Okay. Okay, no, like that. Okay, like that. No. I'm just gonna play some games with you guys. And there's hair in the fin spinner? No, I don't know. It's just the fin spinner. Nothing. So, they're all mine. Okay, so let's put them back. My mochi. I know what is this. I don't know. But I know everything what it said. I just got this. And this. And I'm going to play games. And then playing this way. That's what it's a yeah. Guys, let's play video games. These are my stuff I'm going to show you. Oh. I can put it. Oh, it doesn't work. I can't never mind. I guess we can play video games. Just moving my chair. It's a different chair. It's not a chair. It's just a different chair. I can spin. Oh, I'm okay. This is spinning chair. I just these. It's this weird chair. Doesn't do nothing. Mochi, stay. I'm not gonna do this now. She's chewing. How about if you... What are you doing here, heart? Pop in that box. So guys, I just put stickers on it. I have an idea. This is good. But we don't need no noise. We don't need no noise. Okay, it's like that now. So I have these. What do you want to play? TikTok? Okay. I just got a lot of TikTok, yeah. So this is my second fidgets. Wait, it was in the wall. Now I got it because it was getting big, and now I'm big. That's my unicorn squishy, but never I showed it already. Guys, it is so cool. I can. It's this one. It's up there. I showed it up. You see right there, my mochi is up. That's why mochi. It's a unicorn mochi. And a few seconds now. Okay, so I wiped my fidgets. Yeah, that's my fidget. And then I was watching it. And then now I just washed it. And then no. I can't just take it. Guys, look, Toka Boca. That's my second Toka Boca. Yeah, guys, that's so freaking out. I'm so freaking out. It's not Toka Boca, it's Toka Root. That's it. My dad said, yeah. She couldn't offered. I have an idea. This is good. I have an idea, guys. I have an idea. This is good. I have this thing. I have this. Yes, this is mine. Hi. How are you? Oh my. Okay. do something great. So, what? Why is everything green? What? No. What in the world? It doesn't matter. It doesn't work. Okay, let me try it again. No! Okay, there. So, this is my future. I'll show you everything future. Because I put the future and the sink. It's a future. Yeah, let me take my topic. I want to see if it works. Let's see. Let me see. It works, it works. It didn't work. It's working. Yeah, I will put this away. Well, it feels so soft. No, it's not soft. I'm freaking you, but it is soft. Oh, I'm freaking you. It is soft. I like it. It's so soft. Guys, I'm going to play with my purple one. Like, because it purple popped it. Cause it, yeah. And this is green poppet, red poppet, purple poppet. Let me put my red poppet. Cause I said, you see? That's my red. Hey guys, it's because I got the filter and then you got filters too. Wait, let me put this. I like it. So legendary. Guys, I'm gonna bring you downstairs now. No, this is Daddy's. I'm confused. I'll give you. I'm okay. I'm okay, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna bring my fidgets downstairs now. I'm heavy. I can't wait. I'll bring you this. I'll put my iPad, put this down, like that. Got it. I'll put it in there. Now let me give you. It's hard to reach. Okay, I'll reach.